In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a page ID in Notion. This is really useful if you're working with automations, integrations, or the Notion API, because those tools often ask you for a specific page or database ID. Once you know where to look, it's actually very quick and easy. First, open the Notion page or database whose ID you want. You can do this either in the desktop app or in a web browser. It works the same way. Just make sure you're on the actual page, not on a list of pages. So, for example, if it's a database, click into that database so you see its full view. Now, look towards the top right corner of the Notion window. You should see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click that. This opens a small menu or pop-up with a few options related to sharing and permissions. Inside that Share menu, you'll see an option called Copy Link. Click on Copy Link. When you do this, Notion copies the full URL of the current page to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the screen, but that link is now ready to be pasted. Next, open your browser's address bar or any text editor and paste the link you just copied. If you're already using Notion in a browser, you can also just look at the URL that's already visible at the top of the window. Either way, you now want to focus on the structure of that link. The Notion page ID is the long string of letters and numbers near the end of the URL. You'll usually find it after the last slash in the link and before any question mark if there is one. So scroll or move your cursor to the end of that URL and look for a long, continuous sequence of characters. It will be a mix of letters and numbers, and it's typically much longer than the rest of the words in the link. That entire alphanumeric string is your Notion page ID. You can select just that part, copy it, and then paste it wherever you need it, whether that's in an integration tool, a script, or an API request. To quickly recap, open the page in Notion, click Share, choose Copy Link, then grab the long alphanumeric string at the end of the URL after the last slash and before any question mark. That's your page ID.